Hi traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use the buy sell percentage indicator for MT4. So the first step is to download the indicator. You can find the link down there in the description. After you have done that, you proceed to add the indicator file to your indicators folder. You come to file, open data folder, navigate to MQL4, enter indicators and paste the file in there. After that, you come back to your navigator, right click and refresh. All right, you are refreshing so that the indicator file you added can reflect in your navigator. Okay, so we're just going to look for the buy sell percent indicator. Here we go, drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then for the input settings you can see the various customizable settings here, the default font color, the font font size, the font type, and all of that. So because we have a white background, I'm just going to change this font color to black. All right. Okay, so here we go. This is how the indicator looks like, right? You can see that it gives a prediction. Okay, it displays real-time balance between buying and selling activity. Basically, it helps you to identify dominant market direction. All right, confirm trend strength and spot potential reversals. So let's just go to another time frame. Let's see. Okay, we can see that it's giving the percentage across different time frames, right? Each time frame here. Okay, we are currently in a ranging market, so this is for BTC USD. Let's try another pair. Let's see if we can get a pair that is more trending. See if we can get other values, right? So basically you can see that the indicator gives buy percentage and sell percentage. In this case, it is giving the same percentage for both buy and sell. So it seems like the buyers and sellers we are kind of almost equal dominance. Here we have 0.04, here we have 0.27, right? Minus 0.04 minus 0.27, I mean. Here we have 0.12 and sell is minus 0.01. All right, so this is just for additional information. All right, you need to have a strategy that you already use to execute your trades. Then this indicator is just giving you additional information with respect to buy and sell, balance, right? Buying activity and selling activity. Okay, and remember that there is no indicator that is foolproof, so the indicator is not perfect. All right, you need to have a strategy that you use already. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.